$20 tip, guys. Yo, good morning. It is Monday. My name is Sip Rodriguez, and today I have my day off from work. I was lucky enough to get some hours on Instacart. I don't do it for full time. I do it as my part-time side hustle when I can get some hours and I can get some in, and people have been asking me, how much do you make doing Instacart on your days off? Well, it can vary. Today it's rainy and it's ugly, and I started at 9 o'clock and I still don't have a shop, but Costco opens up and I'm gonna head on over to Costco and I'm just gonna document my day. Here we go. Yo, it's only been a few minutes and I've got a call for a pickup at Costco, so we're gonna go shop that. I'm gonna take you on my journey. I filled up my car before I got started, so we're gonna get to see how much gas I used today. We're gonna see how many miles I've used today. Right now it's 1475. I've already traveled 5 miles, so it's 1475. 82 is where I started. And yeah, so here we go. All right, I just landed myself at Costco. The time is 10 o'clock on the dot. I got my bags here ready to rock and roll. Sometimes these shops over here at Costco can get pretty big, so hopefully I can fit this in my car. It's been a couple sketchy times that I've been like, oof, every little spot in my car was filled. But that said, I gotta get shopping. It's a 17-piece order. So let's go. All right, it is 10:35 and I got everything loaded. I even got my arch nemesis on board, Webbles. But I got some oranges, so I can, if worst comes to worst and I get stranded somewhere, I can go and hustle some naranjas on the corner. You know what I mean? I could be like, oranges, come and buy some oranges. But yeah, it was a pretty good shop. Took me about 7 minutes and I got to deliver it. I got 25 minutes to deliver it. So I'll load it up, waiting for the people next to me to leave so that way I can get going on my road. And yeah, thanks for coming along. So far so good. We'll see. Let's get it. I got another order. It is 11:27 and let's get it. Yo. Okay, so I just got my second order done. It is 12:05, all loaded up and everything. I don't know if y'all can see all that. And you know what? I got my arch nemesis again. I got huevos, mira. Okay. I got the huevos. You got huevos? I got huevos. All right, let's go. We gotta deliver this. We gotta go. Yo, I'm back for my third order. It is still the same day. It is 12:33. I gotta get this. Let's go. All right, it's about 12:30. Look at all the stuff that I got. 50 pounds of flour, water, big old diaper. Now that's all said and done. I went back and I gassed up. Let's see how much gas I spent. $40.51 at 319. Just kidding. Psych. Let's look at the real receipt. All right, there we go. I put about 30 miles on the car today from leaving from the house and coming back to the house. So you see here at the 211, today's date, Register 1. Thank you, Sam. I put in, and I topped it off all the way back to the top, $7 in gas. So $7 in gas is what I used. That was for 2.258 gallons at $3.09. Oh, $3.09 a gallon? Good Lord. That's cheap. Love it. And so, yeah, that was not much. You will subtract the $7 from my total revenue. And let's get into the revenue. Let's take a look at my phone screen. Here we go. Yo, okay, we're all done. Now let's see what we made. Gotta move this over here. Let's go. Current earnings. There we go. Woo-wee! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, yo. $108.25. Look at that. $34 in tips. Are you kidding me? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Man, it really helps out a lot. Really does. Okay, so let's take a closer look on what happened. Let's go to earnings over here. We're going to click today. And, ooh, look at that right there. I worked 3 hours and 32 minutes. 5 hours I was on the clock, but I was on standby. So 3 hours and 32 minutes is the actual time that I was working. $108.25 I made today on a peak day, which means that you get a little bit extra. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's go down to the itemized order and see what's happening. Costco, 11 a.m. This is drop off when I completed the order. $2 club bump. Delivery commission, $13.75. Item commission, $6.40. Tip, $14. Are you crazy? Thank you so much. Appreciate it. $36.15 for that whole order. Man. And that was 1 hour. So now the item commission is when you go over a certain amount of items, you get charged a little bit extra. It's like 40 cents or 45 cents per item or something like that. So there it is. Second order, I finished delivering at 12:22. The club bump was $2. Delivery commission is $13.75. Item commission was $7.20, which means it's a little bit bigger order than the first one. She didn't give me no tip. I don't throw any shade on anybody that doesn't give a tip. We don't know their situation. Okay, so maybe they maybe they couldn't just get out. I don't know their situation. I don't throw no shades. It helps me a lot, yes, but if you can't give a tip, no worries, no problem. Just thankful for your business because you put in the order. I still got $22.95. Thank you. Okay, last order of the day. At 1:50 p.m. Club bump $2. Delivery commission $13.75. Item commission $8.40. Large order bump $5. It was a bigger order. I had 50 pounds of flour. I had a 32 pack of water. I had big old box of diapers. I had lots of big stuff, lots of big boxes, and I barely fit it all in here. And then I had to go back and forth. I was late delivering this order. I had to go back and forth, delivering everything to the step. And she said that the baby was sleeping, not to knock on the door, ring the doorbell. So I did it. And I just texted her and I said, hey, I'm outside. Delivery is complete. May I get your signature? And she came out. And wow. Thank you so much. $20 tip, guys. $20 tip. Like I said, if Instagram was consistent, I'd be doing this. I remember one day I made $250, but I worked 15 hours that day. So I made $250 in one day. You know, that's more than what I get paid at my real job. You know, and I'm only working part-time, but still I got paid more here one day. I mean, 3.5 hours than I did in one day at working my other job. $49.15, and you could take a look. And it took me a little longer because that stuff was huge, and I did get there on time, but I did not deliver on time because I had to take the 50 pounds of flour. I had to take I had to take the 6 gallons of milk to the doorstep. So there it is. I might use that for the image. I don't know. Anyway, guys. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and leave on this note. Thank you for watching. I love you guys all. And go out and hustle. Make that money. Stack your chips. Reinvest either in yourself, reinvest into knowledge, or reinvest into a side hustle. Let's get it. It's all on you. Where's the end button? I don't know where the end button is.